All right, I feel like I look and sound like a washed up beach bum right now. And for that, you know what? I feel like one. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick update on my agency, what's been happening. Basically, I want to do these on a monthly basis just to have a running record of where I've been with my agency, what I'm working on, and just to keep you guys in the loop with what's working for me, what's not working for me, and all that good stuff. So anyway, this is the format that it's going to use. I might switch it up a little bit, make these look a bit prettier as time goes on, but we'll see. So anyway, basically, I want to talk over a few key points, really. So within January, I know this is coming out in February, but I'll use it for the month of January. We hit about a revenue number of about $8,000 New Zealand. So that would be roughly like 5,000 US dollars in the given month. Really happy with that number. After tax, it was about 7,000 New Zealand dollars. And then profit, that would be about 5,000 New Zealand dollars as well. Now, our staff members, so we have freelancers. There are 3 of us at the moment. So we still have, not including me, so 4 including me. There are 3 staff members. I went to a lot of events this month. I went to a bunch of networking events. That's something I really recommend going to, guys, if you do get the chance, is go to in-person and online networking events. I find a load of events from local event boards just online, and pardon me, and I find a lot of events just from LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a lot of online networking events that you can go to. And the important thing is you get on these events, and then after the event, I connect with everybody on LinkedIn that I talked to during that networking event. And I try and set up a one-to-one meeting with them. So I have a meeting where we just discuss our services, 30 minutes. Usually people are very willing to catch up if they see value in catching up with you. And basically, you're just talking about what got you started in business, what your services are, and you're just kind of planting the seed regarding the services that you offer to them in their mind, right? So like if like 2 months down the road, they're like, oh, I need somebody who does Facebook ads, or in my case, email marketing, they think of you, right? And so you just maintain and create a relationship there. Now, sales closed. I closed 2 new clients, one for both for like relatively small pieces of work, but one for ongoing work on a monthly basis, which is awesome because that's something I really need to work towards getting more of. I need 5 reoccurring clients on a monthly basis. What else has been happening? I guess my next steps for my business are increasing the amount of outreach, which you can learn how I do. I have my 4 outreach strategies that I do. So I'm restarting the cold video email outreach strategy. Just restarted that. When did I restart that? I restarted that today, actually. No, sorry, 2 days ago, which in this case would be the 17th of Feb, if you're watching this now. So yeah, 17th of Feb. And that's 2022, 2023, by the way. And that's what I've really restarted. I've started nailing that down a bit more, and then really just trying to get on more calls, get on more meetings. And I feel like the meetings that I'm having with those networking events, those one-to-one events, they will turn into something down the road. So I'm not seeing any immediate results from them. However, I think in 2 or 3 months' time, if I keep those relationships up and going, they will turn into something. Also, I did some working on my offer, right? So I tried finding ways to implement some sort of guarantee and add on a bunch of additional free stuff with my offer that doesn't cost me a lot, that helps push prospective buyers over the line, right? So I was saying, okay, well, what services can I offer for cheap to potential clients to make them come over the line? So I was like, okay, I can do 3 months of monitoring of your account instead of 1. And in reality, 3 months doesn't really cost me that much more. It takes a bit more of my time, but it's not a huge issue. And I can chuck it in for free to get a $2,000, $3,000 sale over the line. And I figured out a bunch of those little things that I could add on. Also, I figured out different packages, which I think I'm actually, as I'm recording this, it's now mid-Feb, and this is work that I did in January. I think what I'll be doing is moving from package offers for like different pieces of work to just a more generic retainer-like package for my email marketing agency, where it's different pay grades, right, or scales of payment that they can opt in for. But depending on the one that they select, it'll just be ongoing management of their account. So instead of saying, hey, we'll do 1 campaign for you a month, I'll just say, hey, for like $1,000, we'll manage your account and we'll focus on the following key aspects, right? Oh, but if you want to do more than this, we can get you onto the $2,000 a month package, and then the $3,000, and so on. And I think that like gives us a bit of a point of difference and puts us above like the other agencies that you can find on Fiverr or Upwork. Gives us a nice little competitive edge. So guys, those are the things that I'm working on. Let me just check my board really quick, see if there's anything. Oh yeah, I got my business cards, which of course I don't have on me right now. Got some business cards set up, which is really useful, especially for these networking events. Really important to have those. And then I started getting ChatGPT integrated into my email scripting, which has been really, really important. Bought a Miro just for just general journey mapping sessions and everything like that. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick update. So yeah, $8,000 this month. Hopefully, we'll get to 8,000 again in Feb. That's kind of what I'm aiming for. I'm at roughly 2K. It's halfway through the month, so it's not looking good. But we'll see what happens. Cool, guys. Any questions? Shoot me a message. Otherwise, match me on LinkedIn or Tinder. I don't know.